Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time.
So we don't know where the reception is. We are trying to find out. But there's a lot of parking places, so there's no need to worry about.
My feeling is what?
Oh, so you want to take the risk?
Oh, yeah, otherwise there's nothing.
Number 4.
Oh, it's very nice that they put the pictures here. Now, where are the animals?
Where are the animals? Parking area there. So one of these will be our room.
Somebody's got.
Which room are we? 1037.
It should be ground floor. We immediately take the luggage.
This is our room.
So, all the way.
Wow. Is it a free hat?
I think so. I guess it's a complimentary.
It's a big room.
Yeah, I'm sure it's complimentary.
It's very big.
I think it's complimentary because the head doesn't fit.
This is the balcony.
Wow.
Very big balcony. You see how big? That is the whole room. Now we only need to see some animals. Where are they?
There's a duck.
So let me give you a quick tour. They have a mini bar. I think the fridge is not, it's just water and some tea, coffee, water, coffee machine. here, the cabinet. Another cabinet. Safe. Oh, look at the bathroom. Oh my god, it's so big. And here is the shower room. Oh, this is the toilet. It's a separate room. There's another door here. I don't know what is this. A small bed.
Huh?
Bunker bed.
Oh yeah, this is 4 people. 4 people. This room. You could have. Oh shit! It's 5. We could have brought them, but they.
So that's it.
Huh?
So this is
Family blah blah blah. No booking active.
so you can control the temperature here. And the relighting as well. Let me see. Terrace. Oh, it's working, you see? It's the light is on. And then plafond verlichting. You can dim.
Yeah, you have scenes, African night. I don't see what happens, but
Out.
uit. Alles uit? Nee, alles is aan.
This is African night. Look at that. So romantic. Okay, stop playing now.
Plafond spots hole, a little bit.
That is the Nommos Restaurant. And this is the Nommos Restaurant. This is their fine dining.
Goedenavond.
What
Is dit
happened?
Nommos?
Deze cilinder is gemaakt van mango en plankton. In een vriend Noordzeekrab zitten met nori-kruiden en de crème van biesloop erheen verwerkt.
There's the rhino.
Huh?
The rhino.
Yeah, already.
These are their restaurants inside the premises. This was closed yesterday. And this is the breakfast area. This is the breakfast area. Cheeses and the yogurts. Hotel Safari.
And what do you see there? Nothing. They won't run here because
Wow, the trees are so beautiful.
all completely dead now.
Feast. It's smakelijk.
Where you go? Because of the water? The black one is the boat. Don't go walk backwards. You see the skin marble? That is because they are changing skin. For example, that animal, the zebra, is way more dangerous than this one. Look. This one is also going to cross.
Freeze and snack of Holland. Take away. So how do we go to the boat? What is it? Why? Here's the magnets. Here's the magnet, Mama.